Hola! Your dream vacation to Turkey starts from rupees 79,999 only with GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.
सारे झूठ बोलते सारे झूठ बोलते हैं यार, कौन नहीं बोलता है?
Yeah, this is a very tricky question because, like, you
No
know,
answer.
in
My wife, she's very open about it. Like if she watches a film, she will tell the producer it's a shit film. And I always tell, relax, don't do that. Me and my wife are very different. We
That's
pose
true.
it. She thinks left, I think right. It's completely different. The only thing which is common is we like to sleep early and we like to wake up early. People say I'm diplomatic. Yes, I am diplomatic because I want to measure my word when I tell anything to you. I don't want to hurt you. आदमी को बहुत चुप रहना चाहिए. जुबान एक ऐसी चीज है जो 100 घाव से भी ज्यादा घाव देती है. You know why Mahabharat was started? Because of tongue. Because वो बोला था उन्होंने अंधे की संतान. Not every day Virat Kohli will always score.
True.
It has other people also who have to score.
मन में नहीं ठीक चल रहा माहौल, बॉडी भी ठीक नहीं है, लेकिन आपको यू हैव टू बी लाइक हाँ जी सਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਠੀਕ ਹੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਹੈ ਜੇ ਉਹ ਮਨ ਚ ਬੰਦਾ ਗਾਲਾਂ ਕੱਢਦਾ ਵੀ ਆ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਤੋਂ ਦੁਪਹਿਰੇ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਘਰੇ ਟਿਕਿਆ ਗਿਆ ਕਿਉਂ ਆ ਕੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਮੈਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਫੋਟੋ ਕਰਾਉਣੀ ਮਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਚੱਲਦੀਆਂ.
When I'm talking about Vani, she fought with Anushka to tell her that listen, I am your friend, why aren't you
communicating
communicating with me?
Like,
They
don't
actually had a proper fight and they were all in tears.
35 गुण भी ना मिले कोई बात नहीं, लेकिन अगर वो रिस्पेक्ट वाला एक गुण मिल गया एक दूसरे को, तो वो 36 गुण के बराबर होता है.
outstanding.
मूवी सर आपने एक बार इंटरव्यू दिया है. आजकल बहुत डायरेक्टर्स इंटरव्यू देते हैं, बोलते हैं कि मल्टी स्टारर्स कोई करने को राजी नहीं है. हमारा पिछला जो इंटरव्यू था, यू आर डूइंग दिस इंटरव्यू आफ्टर 5 years and I was telling everybody in the team that the last interview that we did was a fun interview because it was again you and many other people. It was for Mission Mangal, again a film that you celebrated. सर उसमें एक सीन था जहाँ पे a lot of people say that superstars don't allow other people to shine. There was a scene towards the climax where you let all the other women go ahead of you. A lot of actors don't do that. Do you feel that is the reason that there are not many multi-starrers, especially from this generation of
पाजी
actors?
मैं बात बोलूं, हम पाजी के साथ काम किया है, चलो पीठ पीछे भी हम मतलब बोलते हैं, सामने ही बोलते हैं. जेन्युइनली ये मतलब पाजी ने खुद लाइनें अगर कोई इम्प्रोवाइजेशन करता था, ये तू बोल दे, ये तेरे पीछे लगे, तू बोल दे. जैसे आपने बोला ना, इनसिक्योर होते हैं आर्टिस्ट, बहुत इनसिक्योर होते हैं, पर पाजी ने जेन्युइनली मतलब सबको बहुत प्यार से और अच्छे से रखा है. एक तो मतलब एचडी हैं, बड़े हैं ना,
बेटर किए हैं
और सब हाँ सारी चीजें बेटर की हैं, एडिट वाइज भी सब कुछ A to Z, मतलब जो जिसका बनता था उसको उसकी वो जो ओदा मूल्य उसको मिला. सो ये बहुत बड़ी बात होती है
What about
बड़े
you,
आर्टिस्ट के
sir?
लिए.
What would you say? Because बहुत लोग नहीं करते हैं.
So for me, the most important is the film should work. It's not about me working. It's about the film working. Because if a film works, everything works. Everyone works. So that has been always. And I come from a place where teamwork is the most important thing. And not every day Virat Kohli will always score.
True.
It has other people also who have to score. There are many other reasons to it. So we've all made this film. I've seen this film. It's a film which belongs to all of us.
Absolutely.
And it's a beautiful film. It's a lovely film. It has a small little message to give, but lots of comedy in it, and lot of drama. It's a film of one night.
Yeah.
It's just one night film, and what happens in one night is you have to watch the kind of drama it goes through. It's everybody's crying, a lot of people are crying in the film, but the people who are watching is laughing because that's what enjoyment is all about. When you see somebody in problems, you feel like laughing more. So, but I would say thanks to all of them and my director and my producer.
Yeah.
For allowing us.
We are all, it's a lot about lying to each other, right? The whole film is about lying to each other, hiding things from each other. Do you feel that it's not about the industry? Even if you look at general people around us, हमारे आजू बाजू में लोग, हर कोई एक झूठ की जिंदगी जीता ही है. We are all somewhere down the line leading a life of lies. Do you feel that? Have you ever felt that vis-a-vis your own personal life?
I think it's human to do that. आप you're not the most comfortable all the time in your own skin. तो हो सकता है मैं आपके सामने कुछ और प्रेजेंट करूं, बट मेरे अंदर अंदर कुछ और. I may be the most insecure person, but I'll never show it to you. Why should I?
You mean like projection or hypocrisy?
No, the fact that all of us are somewhere leading a life of lies. Like there is something that we are lying to ourselves about ourselves, right? And we are lying to others about ourselves.
I can talk about myself. I don't know who to now. Like I can't hold this against and speak on anybody else's behalf, but I feel like I at least try and be true to who I am and to my roots and all. Because what happens is when we lose connect with who we are, then it's pretty much, then you're lost for life. Then you're living in a world of illusions.
True.
Then you keep building illusionary, things. And that happens a lot. You do get off track. You can't always be in the right, do the right, be righteous all the time. Again, like how he said, we are human. But that's why you need to connect to yourself, which is why you need to also have a side which is more sacred and private.
Absolutely.
So people who can bring you back to, but like just your inner core circle who knows you for who you were always. So that's very important.
Sir?
सारे झूठ बोलते हैं सारे झूठ बोलते हैं यार, कौन नहीं बोलता है. एंड इट्स फाइन. आई से दैट्स कोई छुपाने के लिए बोलता है, कोई अपने आप को दिखाने के लिए बोलता है, कोई अपने आप को बचाने के लिए बोलता है. कुछ ना कुछ कहीं ना कहीं होता है. कोई इतना बोलता है, मैंने तो कईयों को देखा है जो झूठ बोलते बोलते वो उसको सच मानने लगता है. That is the major problem. That is
You lose
60%.
touch of reality.
And that is what you think that is the reality because you have lied to yourself so much. So, but it's okay.
आपके सामने किसी ने ऐसा हुआ है कभी कि आपको पता है सच और वो झूठ बोले जा रहा है? How did you confront that? Did you ever confront that person?
नहीं, छोड़ना क्या है. पैसे ही जिंदगी में बहुत कम टेंशन है क्या? Rather than I'll just sit down and confront him. I'm sure if he is lying, he must be having some reasons or the other to lie.
Yeah.
Why make him? He must be going through so much that he is lying. Why go through him so much? बस हाँ, कभी वो बाद में सच बोल देगा, कहता मुझे पता था यार, तूने बोला था, ठीक है कोई बात नहीं, चल. हाँ वही बोल.
Well, willful lying is obviously something which I don't think is good for anyone.
That's true.
But having said that, on the opposite side, I think the truth also has its own time and place. So you don't have to just speak the truth just for the sake of speaking the truth. Sometimes you say it to protect other people's feelings. Sometimes you yourself could be ashamed or embarrassed about something. And there's the important thing is to be considerate towards each other, and so that even if you want to tell the truth to someone, whether it's a tough truth or sometimes it's just the truth, you should do it in a way that they would listen to you. So everything has its time and place, and that's just how I see it. But willful lying is serial liars, as they call them. I remember growing up, my mother used to always say white lies and black lies.
Yeah.
My best friend lies to me all the time, and I catch him, and I'm like, you're a pathological liar. But those are those white lies
White
where
lies,
you're like,
yeah, वो तो
अरे, yeah.
ट्रैफिक में फंस गया टाइप. प्रज्ञा?
Yeah, this is a very tricky question because, like,
Don't answer.
I really feel like we are trying to be as authentic and as real and as true to ourselves as possible. But yet again, there are certain aspects of your life that just need not be known to everybody. So you're not lying, but you're probably hiding in some way.
Yeah.
And I think
Keeping it
that's common
exclusive,
for
perhaps.
a lot of people. So yeah, I mean, try to be
Yourself.
as real and as true to yourself and as authentic as you can be. But then when you can't, then you can't.
But it's also a survival strategy,
Yeah.
being a dad,
Absolutely.
having two kids, they don't lie, but then they learn to conceal.
That is
Do you
true.
believe him say that line is true? वो झूठ अगर किसी को खुशी दे सके तो वो झूठ झूठ नहीं होता, वो 100
And
सच के
it's
बराबर
true,
होता
that's
है.
beautiful.
But what if it's a temporary
and beauty
happiness
that's not
and later it
truthful
hurts you way much
harmfulness to
more?
humanity.
There is a saying.
वो बहुत रिलेटिव होता है क्योंकि आपने जो बोला वो मैं भी मानता हूँ कि कभी
मानता
अगर
तू?
हाँ, कभी अगर कुछ झूठ बोलने से किसी का भला होता है तो ठीक है, झूठ बोल दो. बट सर उधर मैं फंस जाता हूँ क्योंकि मैं सच बोल देता हूँ और लोगों को बुरा बहुत लगता है और वो दिल पे लेके बात बैठ जाते हैं. एक्चुअली ऐसी इंडस्ट्री में जहाँ पे अगर आप किसी के सामने अच्छा बोलते हो और फिर घूम के आप कुछ उल्टा बोलते हो, उनको
That's
पता
worse.
भी है,
Yeah,
फिर भी
that's
वो
worse.
उतना बुरा नहीं मानते, बट अगर आप उनके मुंह पे बोल देते हो कुछ तो वो ज्यादा बुरा मान जाते हैं. मुझे लगता है कि ये हमारा मतलब अनफॉर्चुनेट दैट वी आर इन अ सोसाइटी लाइक दैट. डोंट यू फील दैट?
नहीं, मैं नहीं मानता हूँ. मैं मानता हूँ कि आदमी को चुप रहना चाहिए. आदमी को बहुत चुप रहना चाहिए.
Say
जुबान एक ऐसी चीज है जो 100 घाव से भी ज्यादा घाव देती है.
True.
अगर जुबान से मैं कुछ तेरे को बोल दूं या किसी को बोल दूं और बुरा लग जाए, it is much harder than if I would hit you, you will not
Yeah.
get that hurt so much as. इसीलिए भगवान ने जुबान पे हड्डी कभी नहीं दी. वो हमेशा लड़खड़ाती रहती है और कुछ भी बोल जाती है. एक कहावत है, मैं भी भूल गया हूँ कि what can a tongue do? It can destroy relationships. It can destroy things. A tongue can destroy. It can create world war.
Wars, yeah.
It can. So you have to be very careful of what you talk. You know, people say, "I'm diplomatic." Yes, I am diplomatic because I want to measure my word when I tell anything to you. I don't want to hurt you, even though I know so many things. But I don't want to hurt you, or I don't want to say something which other people will also have a image about you that you are that kind of a person. I know my wife, she's very open about it. Like if she watches a film, she will tell the producer it's a shit film. And I always tell, relax, don't do that. I know that's the truth, whatever she is saying. But there are people like that. So I come from that I don't want to hurt anyone.
I guess you also need to have a certain. It depends on your conscience level also.
Yeah.
Are you okay with it? Can you sleep, comfortably at night after lying? Does it sit well with you? You'll know it in your gut. You'll know it in your.
You know why Mahabharat was why Mahabharat was started? Because of tongue.
Yeah.
Because वो बोला था उन्होंने अंधे की संतान. वहां से महाभारत शुरू हुई थी सिर्फ एक सेंटेंस से. And that this is why it's important to just control yourself. I think. पाजी ਅੱਗੇ कोई गुरबानी पाड़ दो.
नहीं, आप ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਗੱਲ ਬਿਲकुल सही है. आपकी बात मतलब जुबान पे कंट्रोल होना चाहिए 101%. सच हमारी पर्सनालिटी भी कई बार मतलब एज एन एक्टर भी हमें मतलब काफी बार चीजें मन में कुछ और चल रहा होता है, लेकिन आपको कुछ ना कुछ सामने झूठ बोल के कुछ अच्छा दिखाना पड़ता है. फॉर एग्जांपल मन में नहीं ठीक चल रहा माहौल, बॉडी भी ठीक नहीं है, लेकिन आपको यू हैव टू बी लाइक हाँ जी सत श्री अकाल ठीक हो ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਹੈ ये वो. मन च बंदा ਗਾਲਾਂ ਕੱਢਦਾ ਵੀ ਆ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਤੋਂ ਦੁਪਹਿਰੇ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਘਰੇ ਟਿਕਿਆ ਗਿਆ ਕਿਉਂ ਆ ਕੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ मैंने नहीं फोटो करवानी. मन ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹ चीजें चलती मतलब ये चीजें चलती हैं, लेकिन फिर भी यू हैव टू डू वही भी कुछ अच्छे के लिए कर दो. और सच झूठ सेपरेट थिंग. लाइक ईमानदारी बेईमानी वो मेरी जिंदगी में सबसे बड़ा रूल है. ईमानदारी बेईमानी वाला मुझे सबसे बुरे बंदे बेईमान लगते हैं, दगेबाज वो सब तो बुरे बंदे लगते हैं. ईमानदारी दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी चीज है.
That's true.
सब तो बड़ी चीज दुनिया में, सबसे ज्यादा बड़ी चीज दुनिया में ईमानदारी किसी चीज के साथ भी हो सकती है.
जाते जाते यही बोलूंगा कि this is also fitting tail to relationships, right? Friendships, and relationship of all kind. Of course we value relationship. कभी कभी कुछ रिश्ते छूट जाते हैं उम्र के साथ, कभी कभी दोस्ती छूट जाती है experience के साथ. And 4 of you are married. You are having happy marriages. What would you say about that? Like what kind of balance do you bring into any relationship, especially when you're married and otherwise also in your friendship? How important is it?
I think relationship का सबसे core importance is the base is your honesty, your truthfulness, and it could be any relationship. It could be you and I just being friends.
Yeah.
If I can't be honest with you, I don't think that relationship is gonna sustain that long, or at least I don't consider you to be that close to me if I'm gonna be lying to you. I think it's the most that's the core of any relationship.
Vani?
No, man. Actually, like in friends also?
Yeah,
As
any
friends.
relationship.
No, I hold people in my life very dear to me, and they're very बहुत कम लोग हैं मेरी life में जो handful है, और they mean the world to me, and they may not reciprocate. I just hope they appreciate it that I would do this. I would do anything for them. Like for me, my relationships are very sacred to me, and they mean the world to me, and all I expect is just like a little acknowledgement from them if they can't reciprocate. But for me, it's like all in for me.
Sir,
So
you have
we
you have a
were-
very balanced relationship.
So,
at
well,
home.
we both were discussing about it and how is it. So I think I must say we both are on the same page. He will answer.
What?
If there is love, if there is respect, in the end, everything works out. Every relationship has a cycle. There are peaks, there are valleys, sometimes up, sometimes down, sometimes you're wrong, sometimes they're wrong. And sometimes there's conflict, and that something new comes out of that. So that's the beauty of it all. But the most important thing is respect.
Number
And
one,
wanting-
the only thing is
Wanting
respect.
the best for the other person.
I also
You should
think
want them to fulfill their life also.
I don't like to give up on my people.
Did I say correct?
I don't like to give up on my
I-
people.
At times, you have to
Ever.
fight for your relationships, and
Yeah.
this is my first-hand experience. When I'm talking about Vani, she fought with Anushka to tell her that, listen, I am your friend. Why aren't you
Communicate.
communicating
Just
with me?
Like,
They
you don't
actually
have
had
to give
a
up.
proper fight, and they were all in tears in my house.
And it was
then
on a very
was
silly thing.
on a very silly thing, but
Very
whatever. It was so important that they communicated. She didn't give up on the relationship
Yeah.
just as is. She said, no, I'm going to fight for this, which she did.
But sir, you said this very nicely that ghar pe, you are a certain way and you both balance each other out really, really well. How has that helped? Because you've had a really lovely, funny, happy relationship for 25 years, and both of you, whenever you guys are together, of course, because I can say this out a lot that Sarita Tanwar is my Mumbai mother, and I have had the privilege of seeing both of you in front of me.
Sarita is not my wife.
Sarita Tanwar is my Mumbai mother, but because of Sarita Tanwar, I know you want to kidnap. Well, I'm saying there's a sense of give and take in a very beautiful way. Like, how would you define that relationship?
Me and my wife are very different. We are
That's
poles
true.
apart. She thinks left, I think right. It's completely different. The only thing which is common is we like to sleep early and we like to wake up early. There's another thing which we like is playing rummy or ludo. Baki rest of the things we think completely different. But it's not about that. As rightly as they all said it also, respect is the most important thing. Giving each other space is very important. And it doesn't matter whether everything मिले ना मिले. 36 गुण होते हैं लोगों में मिलने के लिए. 35 गुण भी ना मिले कोई बात नहीं. लेकिन अगर वो रिस्पेक्ट वाला एक गुण मिल गया एक दूसरे को, तो वो 36 गुण के बराबर होता है.
क्या बात.
Did I say something so good?
Outstanding.
Deep.
Just like,
Deep.
oh, you were saying something.
Deep, deep.
अब तो कुछ बचा ही नहीं. I really think that the foundation of any relationship, friendship is trust and respect. And if that's there, everything else is taken care of. So yeah, hold your people close.
Yeah.
You have only that many of them. Be real, be authentic, be true to them. And that's your biggest blessing in life. And be truthful to them as much as possible.
You know, the best part about this film is that it has people who are who have amazing goodwill in the industry. You know, people really, really want good for all of you, and I'm one of them. And I'll always say that this is, of course, it's special in many, many other ways as well for me. But at the same time, I want to say that I only wish that this film does amazing numbers. Because unfortunately we equate numbers with love, but I know that it's gonna get lots and lots of love. Thank you for doing this, sir.
Thank you very much.
And thank you for everything that you guys shared. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dan.
So much fun.
Hola! Your dream vacation to Turkey starts from rupees 79,999 only with GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.